Today we are going to model the base shape of this TV box kind of product, going over some essentials of plasticity in a quick and easy way. I'm thinking the box should be 12 by 12 centimeters, so let's set the units to millimeter for more precision. Let's set the grid size to 150. With 4, I'm going to select this box X to delete it and zoom with the mouse wheel. Let's select this center rectangle. Press here. With C you can switch between corner and center if it's not like that. Tab 120, tab 120, enter. So we have the reference size. Now for the overall shape, you could extrude this up and to select the bevels and fillet them at 60. But I'm thinking this with G2, this cuts a bit too much into the overall volume. If you put this at say 30, it looks okay, or more or less okay, but this kind of flat shape here, it doesn't give the curvature that I would like. So instead of going this way with Ctrl Z, I'm going to create my own curve here. So let's go to the top section. Let's get the control point curve and let's snap it here. If it doesn't snap, enable the snapping. So snap here. Now I want to put one point here in the middle, but you see that it doesn't snap. So it goes to the grid, but not to this. I need to disable object snapping for a moment. So one click there, one there, one there, and one last here, and right click to confirm. With this, let's go to 2. I can X to delete the square because I no longer need it. And for the outer wall, I'm thinking of making this kind of arc. So for the arc, let's hold here and 3-point arc. I will put it here. I want the center of the circle that the arc forms to be placed along this horizontal line, which is for some reason hard to do, and even if you manage to do it, if you press here for example, it disappears. So to fix that, you actually need line and put the line here. Let's go to the side again, go down, right click to confirm. Now select this one, H to hide it, going back. So instead of 3-point arc, I'm going to add a tangent arc and I'm going to put it here. But you see that it doesn't work because you need to enable object snapping. So now if I put it here, it will continue that line and make the arc I want. So this will be 3 centimeters, so 3 squares of this. Now I can X to delete that one and hide it. I hide the base one. Let's Alt X, duplicate here, enter to confirm, holding with Shift to select both of them, J to join, Alt X, on the other side to mirror, enter again, J to join again. So let's select this one, F, sweep, sweep, and click here, enter to confirm. Now that we have this, let's cover the top part with, I think L doesn't work, right? So F, patch, and at G0, enter. So we have the top part. Okay, I'm thinking I will, with 4, so we select this entire thing. We'll move it GZ 3 millimeters up, and I'm thinking let's do an arc. So between this and this point, tab 5 should be okay. Okay, so now I want to bring back this one and F sweep. Okay, now let's select this and this. Let's L and G0 and right click to confirm. Okay, now that we have all of this, I'm thinking let's select this and this, J, so it's just one object, and let's move it GZ 12 millimeters up. So I have 1 centimeter for the base and another 2 millimeters for the feet. Now I'm going to need a circle, so hold here, center circle. Let's I wanted to put it at the middle. Okay, tab. I'm going to make it 80 millimeters, sorry, in diameter. And I'm going to GZ 2 millimeters up. Okay, now I want to cut it in 4, so I can work on only one section and then mirror it. So with the line, I'm going to put it here, but you see that it's placing it below, so GZ. Let's cancel snap to grid and enable object snapping. Okay, right click, confirm. Alright, so now trim this and these two ones. Now I have this this section here and I want to loft it with the one at the top. So if I put it at G0, you see that it goes straight. G1 it makes this, but I don't want this. So I'm going to cancel it with ESC and I'm going to create a control point here. Control point, or maybe an arc. Let's see with a 3-point arc. Tab 45 should be okay. Shift D to duplicate. F, click here and move it here. Enter. Okay, R to rotate it. Let's put the pivot point on this point here. So V to pivot, add it here. And now if we put it at 90 degrees, actually RZ, RY, 180. Sorry about that. So now if we L to loft it, put it at 0 here. With shift, I'm going to press here and here. And it's going to be more or less what we want. Alt X here, enter. J to join, Alt X on the other side, enter, J to join. And let's also remove that. Alright, now I'm going to create a circle here. So let's F patch. Okay. O to offset. I'm going to offset it maybe 1 millimeter. Alt J, it will create another sheet out of this. So G0, GZ 1, let's select this one, and Alt J again, X. So I'm going to do this and this, L 0 should be alright. Now let's with 3 select this face, and I don't want to push face because it will leave the space here. So I want instead to E to extrude the face, and I want to extrude it. How much was it? 3 millimeters. Okay, enter. Now with Alt, I'm going to select the whole perimeter and add a fillet. No, actually a chamfer of minus 2 millimeters. Okay, so I'm going to join J here. That said, this is my my little shape for today. I think it looks okay. I will not add chamfers or fillets yet because I want to finish the whole thing and then we'll see if we need or not. In the next part, I'm going to add a radial array of lines here for ventilation. And I'm also going to add some connector part behind it. And then we will move to the render part. If you found this video useful, please leave it a like and subscribe for more. Until next time, thanks for watching, take care.